Hello everyone, welcome back. In this Selenium Python tutorial, we are going to learn how you can identify elements by CSS Selector. So we have seen identifying elements by ID, name, XPath. Now let's understand how you can use CSS Selectors. It is absolutely simple and similar as we have understood in the previous tutorial. The key thing to understand in this particular video is why do we need CSS Selectors and XPath. So as I explained in the previous tutorial that there might be possibility that the web element is dynamic, then in that case you might have to use XPath or CSS Selector. Okay, and how you can use it. So if we go to the documentation here, so CSS Selector, there is a method already. So find element by CSS Selector is the method that we'll use, and then we'll copy the CSS Selector for the web element and use that CSS Selector with this particular method. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the PyCharm, and what I'll do is instead of writing everything again, we'll quickly copy the code and I'll say new Python file demo find element by CSS Selector. All right, paste everything here, and the only thing we have to change is basically how we are going to find the element. So previously we used find element by XPath and we provided the XPath for that particular web element. Now if we want to find it by the CSS Selector, we have to use the method find element by CSS Selector. Okay, so we'll simply change it by, and then we'll say CSS and Selector, and then within here in the brackets here we have to provide the CSS Selector instead of XPath. Okay, so let's go back to the browser. Okay, and now say for example the same web element I'll inspect, and in the selectors hub you will see that we have previously copied the XPath. Now this is the CSS Selector. So you see relative CSS Selector. That's how quick it becomes when you're using selectors hub. So you'll simply copy it. Everything is basically given to you in a very well structured format and very quick. You'll simply can copy from here and you can choose what all attributes you want to select, right? So let's copy this and we'll simply go ahead and use CSS Selector here. Okay, so we'll put in the quotes, and that's pretty much it. So just changing the class name, or sorry, the method name and the selector. So this is the CSS Selector and we are sending the keys there, right? So let me execute this. So it will open the browser and identify the element, type in the value there by CSS Selector, and then it will close the browser, right? So that's how easy it is to basically identify the web element by CSS Selector. Now we have used this selectors hub and that has made our life easier. But say for example, if we have to write this selectors hub manually, then in the Chrome browser, you have to simply press Ctrl F and it will open this find window at the bottom if you see here, right? And then you can simply start writing the selectors hash and then login, right? Input. So if you write this, it will highlight that particular element that you have provided, that you have written the selectors hub for. Okay, so I have explained this how to write basically your CSS Selectors and XPath in detail in the series. So please go through and watch it and understand before you come and use selectors hub. It is very helpful tool, but having a good understanding of selectors hub and XPath is prior, I would say, before you can start using it. Otherwise it won't, I mean, you will be using it, but you won't be able to understand how exactly it's creating these selectors internally. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial on how you can identify a web element by CSS Selector and use CSS Selector to basically click or type on a particular web element in Selenium with Python. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you very much for watching.